Hi, this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I hope you're doing well today. Hey, our systems are extremely easy to install. They only take 3 to 4 hours to install in most applications. Anybody with basic plumbing experience can put these in, following our instructions that we supply you with. Or you can hire a plumber or handyman to do it, or have a friend or a family member come out and help you out. Our technical support department is always here to help you. So if you have any issues or questions, you can always contact us either by live chat or email, or simply pick up the phone and give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out. Quality Water Treatment has sold tens of thousands of water treatment systems online over the years. And over 80% of our customers actually install these systems by themselves with very little issues at all. So give it a try. I think you'd be very pleased. You get a high quality system at a really good price, and you get all the technical support that you need, along with the data that you need to make the job easy for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.